Good morning, people. It's very cold and it's a very foggy, misty morning. I'm off to have my breakfast, and then at 9:45 I have my gym training. Oh God! And it's my second week finishing. That's amazing. I still see no progress, but I'm just kidding. But yeah, we'll see. There's time. Yesterday I had a lot of calories, but sometimes you just go overboard because of depression, so it's fine. But right now we have to go across, and here we are, bus station. Oh, my asthma will kill me today because it's very moist, it's very humid. Oh, I hate it. Look how ugly it is. Ugh. But it's fine, I'm gonna survive. But today will be my worst nightmare exercising wise, because I have another trainer, that main one, that it's really tough. So we'll see what's what. But we'll survive, right? Right. Here. Message of love in the morning. But yeah, my back still hurts kind of, but it's normal. And we'll see what's what today, because today is a cramped gym. That's what I hate, but he told me that he's gonna put me in a different part where I can do my exercises in peace. So we'll see if that happens, but in the end it's okay. I'll survive. And it says that it's gonna rain, so I don't like that. But it's quite cool in the morning. It's quite cold today. It's 4 Celsius, so it's not cold, but it's not warm, so yeah. Should we draw something here? Let's draw. Wait. Here. Here's Mickey Mouse. See? It took me what, a second? It's funny, let's do. Yep, better. See? I don't know if you can see him, but he's here. So we have Mickey and we have Love. And waiting for the bus. This is a horror sequence, look at it. So still waiting for the bus. Yep. Here we are, guys, going next to the shopping center. This is a kebab place. No, yes, no, I don't know what it is. I think it's in Asian food now. But here are the horrible stores that are here. As I said, it all looks so old and 90s. Well, it is a shopping center from the 90s. That's the post office here. And that's the meat place. They sell meat here. No, it's a fish place. Okay, that's new. It was a meat place before. But oh, it looks creepy. Yeah, it's creepy outside today. But what did I do? Oh, I got a magazine cover with one of my new artworks here in my country, which is weird because here I get nothing. It's an art magazine, but still I'm happy. Well, it is art, so at least they give me something here. It's like little crumbs. Like here, you're gonna get a cover, but we're not gonna give you an exhibition. Freaking prick. No, but I'm quite happy. It's one of the new artworks. I'm not sure which one. I just saw that, I just went to the Instagram and they have their page, and there was like who got into or Facebook, I'm not sure. This year's edition, it's one edition per year. And I'm scrolling and saying, okay, I'm not in the artistic part, so, and then I see cover, and there's my name, and I'm like, oh my god, what a frick. I sent free artworks. You can send only free, but I'm not sure which one I sent, so whichever it is, it's gonna be good. But here we are, and my tram is bye because I'm talking too much. Well, another one will come for sure, I think. But it's gonna be waiting. But I'm used to that. Anyway, today is gonna be torture in the gym, but it's a sweet torture. That's what people don't get when they start exercising. It is hard. It's super hard. But there is a benefit from it. Plus, I don't know why. Last 2 days I had really high blood pressure afternoon. I don't know, is it because of my exercising and stuff? It was 110 over 140, so I don't know what's happening. 140 is not that much, but that lower one is always, instead of 80 or 90, it's around 110. So I'm not sure, is it because of my excitement or whatever, but I don't know. It's weird. We can do something here as well with my left hand. I made a Smurf without an ear, so let's make it into a Smurfette, and it's gonna be the first Smurfette with black hair. Here, there she is. She's cute. But yeah, we're waiting. Yeah, blood pressure is weird because I'm going 2 times a year, and my kidney gland, because I don't have that kidney on the left side, it's there. It's making my blood pressure go up. It's not because of my heart or because of my arteries. We did everything, everything is fine. It's just because my freaking, yeah. Well, whatever. I'll survive. It's the other side, but mine will come too. I guess. I hope. There it goes. There it goes. And finally the tram is coming after weeks. I'm just kidding. but it's here. Guys, it's a drunk galore today. Ton of drunk people. Oh God. We're coming to the bridge. We're hoping, oh my God, there's a ton of drunk people on the bridge. Ugh. But you can't escape them. God, there are so many drunk people. And it's so creepy. Look how creepy it is when it's foggy. It's just creepy and scary. And I don't know. It just looks weird. And there's so many drunk people today, and I see them more there. They're just screaming and screaming and ugh. I don't get it. But this really does look creepy. But let's just go because it's really cold here on the bridge in the mist. Just waiting for the creatures to come out. And there are drunk people, creatures. So let's just go. Okay, we are through the drunk people. Oh God, they're like totally crazy. And now we are across the bridge and we are cold. But it's okay. Look how foggy it is. And there's more drunk people. Oh my God, let's just go. I don't like when they scream, when they shout, because, you know, it's scary. My head hurts right now, but anyway, I don't know, it's much more foggy here, but it's because we're next to the river. And I beat my tongue yesterday. I just realized it hurts. Freaking freak. But yeah, life is weird, but it's fine. I don't know, about here always, every morning, somewhere around here, think about my mom. I'm not sure why, but it's like, I don't know, I miss her. I miss everything. I miss life as it was like 2007 or 8, I'm not sure. And there was a guy shitting here. Yuck. See? Anyway, right now, oh yuck, disgusting. That guy is disgusting. He was shitting in the bush, and now he's sneezing, you know, we just everything flowing to the floor. Yuck. I don't know. They really are peasanty people here. Yuck. Oh, not peasanty. It's an insult to peasants. Really disgusting people, I would say. Yuck. But anyway, I'm gonna go tell you thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like if you want to. Comment, cherry tree. And yeah, oh my God, it looks really scary on the film. All of the streets. Oh my God, a cherry tree smells so good. But I'm quite cold, so I'm gonna have my coffee, my breakfast, and just rest till 9, and then I have to go, well, earlier to the gym. Yep. So, yeah, I love you. Bye bye.